Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send a fake snap on Snapchat without using filter. So let's say I selected a photo or a video. So for this example I will do a video, but you can do the same thing with a photo. So I just recorded a video using my phone's camera. Now I'm going to send that video as a snap. So for that, the first thing I need to do is open up my Snapchat and record a video using my Snap's camera. Doesn't matter, just record a random video. After you record a random video, you can see the plus button at the bottom left. Click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, at the right bottom side, you can see the option called preview media, which also shows you a little plus icon with the gallery one. Click on it. Once you click on it, your gallery will open up. From your gallery, choose the photo or video you want to add. So I want to send this video as a snap, so I will click on it and click on the tick mark at the bottom right. Now once I add the video over here, now at the bottom left corner, you can see that I have two videos. One which I recorded with my camera, the other with my snap. So the first video is the video which I recorded using my Snapchat's camera. So I want to remove that. I need to click on that video and click on the dustbin icon. Click on delete. Now we only have the video which I shot using my phone's camera. So what I need to do is click on preview, and as you guys can see, this is basically the video which I recorded with my phone's camera. Now I can click on send to and send it to whoever one I like, and it's going to be sent as a snap. As a proof, I send the snap to myself to show you that I sent it as a snap. So let me just preview it. As you guys can see, it has been sent as a snap. So that's how you guys can send fake snaps on Snapchat. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.